This job is paying $20 per hour if you care to know, and is a remote job that you can do from the comfort of your home right now, from wherever you are in the world. This job does not require you to be in a specific country to do this job. It's a remote, and you can do this from anywhere, from the comfort of your home. And this job also has a whole lot of benefits that you can take advantage of if you get on this job that I'm about to show you right now. Before I start showing you all the details and the benefit in this job, if you are new to this channel, guys, I'm not even going to repeat this the next time I'm making a video right now, because 90% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed, guys. I don't even really care or bother about a subscription, guys, but you guys are not still liking this video. All these things ain't taking you guys nothing. It's not taking nothing from you. Just you watching this video, just click the like button. It's as simple as that. In like 1 second, that's all these things take you to do. Just 1 second. You can give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe by clicking the red button below right now, and you can also leave your comment down below this video right now, just saying whatever you like in the comment section, positive or negative, because I want to get better too. So I don't mind any comments that you leave in the comment section below right now. Without further ado, let me get into the details of this job that is paying you $20 to $22 per hour. So here's the job right now. You can see regulatory affairs specialist, temporarily. This job is just for 6 months. In case you're thinking you want a job that you're gonna do for 5-10 years. No, this one is just a contract, like a 6-month job. So let's see all the rest of the details right now. You can see Queen Staffing CB, Cariba, California, 20 to $22 per hour. Vision Medical Mental, temporary. This is temporary. These are the details of the job. It's a medical manufacturing is hiring a regulatory affairs specialist on a temporary basis. This is a 6-month contract, working 100% remote, guys. However, must be local to San Diego. See, guys, I'm sorry. I thought this job is actually a job that you can do anywhere in the world. Maybe it's not this one, maybe it's the other one. I'm sorry about that though, but basically you have to be in San Diego, California to be able to take advantage of this job. You will be responsible for submitting change notification and updating documentation, change to legal entities. Schedule Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Compensation $20 to $22 per hour. Look at all the rest of the details right here. You can pause this video to read that. This is more details requirements of this in the video below. So all of these things, just read all that, guys, man. So let's see the company info right here, because I know this is what you want, so that you can know how to contact this company that you're seeing. And in case you're not even cool with this job and every requirement that they are showing here right now, you can share this video on all your social media platform right now, and somebody, your friend, your family member, or people in your community might just be the one to take up this offer right now. And you know, when they take up this offer and they secure this job, man, you are going to be in their lips forever. They're not even going to bother about me doing the video, sharing the opportunity, but you that share this video with them, you are the one they are going to keep mentioning the name every time, because you share this video. So share this video with them right now. So let's see the company details right now. You can see industry, recruiting and staffing services, company size 51 to 200 employees, headquarter located in Irvine, CA, USA. Year founded 1895. Website is McQueenStaffing.com. I'm going to put a